Hello over there at Craven's Landscaping. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we are a digital marketing agency. Thank you first of all for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was told Pedro would be the correct person to send this to. So Pedro, I hope you're watching. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, so I'll make this super short. By the end of this video, if you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as education if you like, and even if you want to try it, go ahead. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Unfortunately, I can't use your website here because it looks like it's not secured, missing that SSL protocol. Your website, usually I would use your website to see what you got going in the background and show you like a quick audit. But for this video, we'll be using this one here. This is just a random website from a random company. Yeah, let's go here. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. That's basically anything that you can see on the front page of your website. And that's including images. Image optimization, believe it or not, is an important aspect of your website to rank. Basically, is saving your images as a keyword with relevant background description. For example, if we go, we right click on the image, save link as, you can see here they didn't do any good keywords to save this video. And once you're building a website behind this image, you could add some alt text, which would pretty much help you rank. This is not doing you any good. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve your relevance to the service you offer and a level of trust instead of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, though, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having a keyword or keywords all over the page makes it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords but scattered without any protocol. This can pretty much hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. And, you know, it just doesn't do you any good. Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is the tool that we use, one of our favorite tools. It's a paid tool. You could get it yourself and punch in your website to see what you have on your background. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website, so just be very careful. The backlinks meter would be here, the UR. Fortunately, this company is not doing anything in the background, so you pretty much have nothing going on. Not you, but the company. Looks like the backlinks are only 2. You might want to increase this on a monthly to increase this UR meter here. The third and final thing is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the website in different directories. A directory would be something, for example, like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is, which is a DR meter here. You might want to build this too. You might want to keep these two in a 1-to-1 ratio. That would be good for your website. If you could increase the backlinks and citations, that's pretty much all you would need to know or do to rank up on Google. The organic keywords, they show 15, but you really want to more than that. That's pretty much the main point, to go with the minimum of 1,500 words of content, so you could just start putting in those keywords. And keywords are buyer intent keywords. For example, if I go here and I search for, landscaping, seaside California. You want to be the ones on the first page of Google, right? That's what a person looking to buy your services will go to, pretty much. Um, Finally, if a website is lacking keywords uh, and backlinks and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, just like calls and leads. And what business doesn't want those, right? Hopefully, this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Pedro, talk to you soon, I hope. Take care. Bye bye.